Hello e-bikers, this video is a preview of our ride at Elysian Park. It was hazy and smoky afternoon in Los Angeles. In summary, the ride was about 10 miles with elevations up to 800 feet and mostly on pavement. The ride was fairly easy on e-bikes and was a blast to ride downhill. Elysian Park is becoming a popular place to ride electric bikes, so we thought we would survey and check it out. It was definitely worth it. The e-bikes we used on this ride is a Zugo Rhino and a Hyper E-Ride mountain bike. Folks, if you're an e-bike enthusiast and would like to meet up for group rides with us, we invite you to check out the link below. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Stay healthy and active out there. See you next time and enjoy the ride.
This is only 700. Walmart.
Walmart?
Yeah. That's 600. Plus tax. You know, they're all different in terms of what needs I want. If I want to go fast and just cruise, that one. Are you struggling? Are you struggling? Alright. You can go faster if you want. I'll try to keep up with you. I think it goes up to 5. I'm at 1 in this one, but this one only goes up to 3. Yeah, let's check it out. I think it's Buena Vista Hill. Yep. It's basically a lookout, is what we're looking for. They make it like their half-point mark. I have this reviewed already, or I already have the script for it. And one of my main selling point is, I don't cause attention with this, because I just blend in. With that, like I always get asked, oh, what is it? Where did you get it? How much? Yeah, this looks like kind of a lookout, I guess, yeah. So let's go this way, but slowly. I don't know where to go from here. It looks like we're at the highest, huh? Yeah. All right, here you go. Let's check out what's there. Let's check over there. It's not it, but it looks cool. And that ride down there looks like a dream too. From here, it looks like you're not wearing any shorts. It's like, where did your shorts go? Alright, guys.
This is the spot?
That I saw, yeah. So somehow they got here, they went up that way, and then they went up, I guess, backwards from where we came from. But it's alright. It's called Point Grand View, I guess. Alright. Yeah. A little bit dangerous. Could be beside or ahead of me, Jace. So you're in the camera. So if you pull, we'll know who's at fault. Here we go, guys. Downhill, all manual. This is fun as heck. Curve a little like this. Curve like that. Oh, I can do no handers on this. Oh, shit. Yeah, boy. That's where we came from, right? Oh, this is to go back.
Yeah.
Yeah. How fast did you go?
They were like limiting me to like 28.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I had it pressed down all the way and it wasn't good.
Yeah, because they do that. Like a lot of bikes do that. Just like that. That was nothing. Yep. You got to 32, you're fast. Yeah, man. Loopholes.